Melcher, and I am a company dancer with Texas Ballet Theater. This is the end of my 5th season with the company, which is crazy. The time's gone by so fast, but it's been the most fun 5 years. I'm originally from New Orleans, Louisiana, and when I was 16, I moved to Houston, Texas to train with Houston Ballet Academy. I was there for 2 years, and then I auditioned for Texas Ballet Theater, and I've been here since, and I am so privileged to be a part of this incredible company. We are so lucky to have Ben Stevenson as our artistic director. Not only do we get to hear his knowledge about the art of ballet, but we also get to perform in his incredible pieces. I've had the privilege to perform in quite a few, but if I had to choose a favorite so far, I'd have to say it was Carabosse in Sleeping Beauty. Not often do we get to perform an evil character in a storybook ballet, so when I had the opportunity to, I was so excited and ate every moment up, I think. But it's so awesome to eventually get on stage and have that amazing headpiece and the awesome costumes, and to have your evil minions beside you and just really get into the role. Now I love being evil characters. It was such a fun experience, so I'd have to say that's my favorite role so far in ballet. But we're gonna get into my day and see what I get up to during this quarantine. I hope you enjoy, and I hope y'all are all staying safe. My favorite form of cross-training is Gyrotonics. And this particular morning, I took a gyro class from company dancer Carrie Urso over Zoom. The class got my muscles warm and ready for my ballet class that I took after. I found this mid-century modern table for $10, and I decided to restore it for our new apartment. In this video, I'll show you the process I took to restore it. Here's the table when I first got it. It was painted this green color. I started manually chipping away at the paint with paint chippers and razors. If I could go back, I'd probably use a chemical stripper just because it would save some time. Here I'm sanding down some wood filler that I put in holes that were there when I got the table. And here I'm just doing some detail work that I kind of put off for a while just because it's a little tedious. And then I got to the fun part, which was staining the table. As you'll see in a second, the wood filler didn't stain the same color as the veneer, so I had to go in and fix that later with some wood pen stain to make it match. And here I'm just putting a final layer of polyurethane on the table to give it that shine and protection. And here's the finished table. I'm definitely not a professional, but for my first restoration job, I'm pretty happy with it. Excited to put it in our new apartment. So tonight I'm going to be making some jambalaya. Let's get cooking. First, we're gonna add our andouille, pork sausage, and chicken. Then add some onions, some celery, and bell pepper, and let that cook. Stirring occasionally. Then you'll add rice and all of your spices like paprika, cayenne, white pepper. Then add stewed tomatoes and chicken stock. Add a big dash of Worcestershire and lots of dashes of Tabasco. Then stir all of that together. Let it come to a boil and then simmer. And at the very end, fold in some cilantro and green onions. And there we go, some jambalaya. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't already, please check out Texas Ballet Theater's Relief Fund. Please, everybody, stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you later. Bye.